It was a sold-out event in Miami this past weekend. Organizers touted Bitcoin 2021 as the largest cryptocurrency conference in the world. Personalities like Jack Dorsey, Twitter CEO, descended on Miami to voice their support for the cryptocurrency.
Bitcoin changes absolutely everything. Well, we don't need the banks anymore. We don't need the financial institutions that we have today.
It was a pep rally of sorts. This Bitcoin event came at a very difficult time for the crypto market. May of 2021 was the worst month in Bitcoin's 12-year history in terms of overall losses. After trading at a record high of nearly $65,000 in mid-April, Bitcoin plunged to just over $30,000 at one point last month. It's currently back to the mid-30s. Many lost big, including a dozen billionaires known for acquiring their wealth through trading cryptocurrency. Forbes magazine puts their losses alone at more than $15 billion. Enthusiasts call it a market correction. Correction or not, several factors seem to be behind the drop. One of them, Elon Musk's tweet banning Tesla vehicle purchases using Bitcoin, citing energy concerns.
I think Elon should stick to space and we'll bounce back. You look at this industry, we'll make sure that we look after the price.
I think it was needed. That's what Bitcoin does. It goes up and it goes down. Long term, I think it's going to continue to go up.
Another reason for its dramatic loss in value? China's move to crack down on crypto mining and trading activities. Following the government announcement, several firms said they would relocate to the Americas. Industry insiders at this weekend's conference say that's easier said than done.
There's two things that I think are important for Chinese miners when they're thinking about coming to the U.S., and that is, the tariffs. So, when you import miners from China to the U.S., there's a 28% tariff that they're not used to. And then also the price of electricity is a little bit higher at a co-location in the U.S. versus China.
Normally at Compass we see, $2 to $4 million in hardware requested to be sold through the site every couple of days. When the news out of China started to occur, we saw about $920 million worth of hardware that was looking to make a move from China elsewhere. And the challenge then becomes, where do you put it, right? Because there's really not that much rack space built anywhere in the world right now.
The U.S. government is also calling for stricter cryptocurrency rules, requiring any transfer of $10,000 or more be reported to tax authorities. Crypto volatility is expected to continue as more governments attempt to regulate these financial disruptors, whose main vision has always been to escape traditional regulation. Nitza Soledad Perez, CGTN, Miami.